Hi, now I'm just checking the system. We are making on the panels. This is on, and you can see this is for the 184. This is evening now. This is not sunshine, but it still is giving the enough power to be charged the batteries, right? So this light is for the charging the battery. This one is there is no ESCOM, and its load is here for 1.1%. So it's okay, not bad. And there's two batteries. It's the 12 panel can charge this lithium two batteries. Alhamdulillah, everything is perfect. We done everything. This is, you can see how this DS work, because this is IBR sheets, so but we try our best to we make it neat job, because here already was mess. You can see the old one.